What's got 390 calories, 29 grams of protein, a bunch of calcium and iron, and costs less than $2, possibly making it the cheapest, most nutritious, and bountiful food in human history? Nope, it's not tofu. It's the McDonald's McDouble cheeseburger. And yes, those are hipsters choking on their community-grown greens. Economist Stephen Dubner of Freakonomics examined the virtues of the McDouble in a debate. Indeed, the McDouble packs a lot of nutritional bang per buck, especially in the US, where fruits and veggies cost 10 times more than junk food per calorie. But as Mother Jones food and agriculture writer Tom Philpott points out, there are a lot of hidden costs associated with the very cheap McDouble, such as the government subsidies given to massive farms, which make wheat and soy dirt cheap, and how much the American beef industry, which was once a source of well-paid jobs for skilled Americans, now relies on low-wage immigrants, many illegal, to get the work done. Also, what the clever guys don't talk about is how food in America just isn't food anymore, but some weird class battle between people who eat kale and people who have never heard of it. So while much of the rest of the world manages to produce cheap fruits and vegetables, eat real food like every day, and not get morbidly obese, maybe America should share its cheap, nutritious bounty with people who could really use the calories, like North Korea.
Subscribe now and never watch boring news again.